It's astonishing that Welsh Labour are now waking up to the fact that we have problems in education. After 27 years, we've seen a demise in education standards. I'm sorry, it's too little, too late from Labour now. These issues should have been tackled many, many years ago. We know we are failing in the basic literacy and numeracy tests. We should be putting a strategy in place with clear benchmarks, with progression points to assess pupils so that we know, teachers, pupils and parents know what should be expected of them, and understanding the input that teachers need to put in to that work as well, so that the outcomes are better than they are now. It's stripping it back to the absolute fundamentals. Unless we get, our young people to leave school able to read, able to write, able to do their maths properly, then they are facing huge problems in the future. We know that unless we get those basics right, it'll be a fundamental barrier to their lifestyle and also career prospects in the future. So we've got to strip it back and support teachers to get those basics right from the beginning, with benchmarks, with clear outcome measures as well.